My name is Gus Mendonca. I'm with Facades X.
My name is Matt Capone. I'm with Facades X. We are the manufacturer's representative for a company called MaxLife. They manufacture a product called ArmorWall. The ArmorWall is a panel used to attach directly to steel studs for type 1, 2, or 3A construction. Basically, the ArmorWall eliminates the need for a separate layer of exterior gypsum, separate exterior waterproofing, and also eliminates the need for a girt system to come out and hold the cladding.
The awesome thing about this ArmorWall product, they now are insulating the building, they are sheathing the building, they are waterproofing the building. Don't have to wait for the drywall guy. You don't have to wait for the insulator. They are all those guys, and they come in right behind with their glass. Facades X has a lot to offer an end user in that sense.
One lap around the building, you're able to create a watertight envelope. So this composite system is really a one-stop shop for your exterior wall. So we're now at the Hartford Bliss Hospital Expansion Project in downtown Hartford, Connecticut. And this building utilized ArmorWall VP R21, which is the 4-inch thick insulated composite board. When you're using the ArmorWall system, you don't have to have any penetrations for the cladding back to the metal studs. So the ArmorWall is used, the holes are filled and sealed, but all of the cladding is really just attaching to the face. The face of this board is a magnesium oxide and is strong enough to attach the metal cladding.
My name is David Strid. I'm with FIP Construction Company. The ArmorWall process alleviates two other trades, the insulator and the waterproofing process. So we go right from framing to finished skin, finished siding, which takes weeks off the schedule. And when it came down to the framing and the ArmorWall process, I was sold kind of right away.